Alright, so this is my second video journal entry. It's February 3rd, 2009, and it's 9:07 a.m. Now, today what I've managed to figure out is I can now download ringtones for my cell phone without going to the music store. A lot of cell phones now, they don't let you do that anymore, so I managed to finally unlock my phone so that I can do that. So, just a quick example of what I mean. I'll just go to the ringtones. And I got a couple of ringtones I've been wanting for a long time, so I'm happy about that. Okay, so I just got a text message, so that doesn't really have anything to do with the ringtones. There's not a lot else I can say, so I've been busy trying to get all the different clips I've been wanting, mainly from that Dreamfall game I've been playing a lot, sound clips from there, whatever. So that's about it.